And just like that, we are on our difficult round. And truly, this is indeed difficult because it involves jokes about racism, a gesture that is like appalling to many, and of course, the moral guardians are raising their arms to say, let's stop all these shenanigans. This is Alwad Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kamaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Kitty Show, the Ryan Natalakian Showbiz Edition. Mare, here, there, and everywhere, ang pagkastigo kay Vice Ganda dahil sa kaganapan sa kanyang, ano bang segment to?
Memory Mar.
Memory Mar segment sa It's Showtime. So, sabi mo nga, kahit ikaw, naloka. Ano ba yung mga nakakalokang ginawa doon?
Well, yung isa, she was made to drink water.
Vice.
By Alejandro, played by Ayon.
Ayon. And
No. Ay, hindi ko alam kung tama ba? Hindi, parang hindi. And I forgot na eh.
basta she was made to drink water.
Tapos, parang umawat si ano ginagawa niya si Alejandro, si Ayon. Bigla niyang
Naibuga
yung
yung water inside her
water.
mouth.
Oo, kay Johaira.
Kay Johaira.
Pero, Johaira is a member of the Baby Dolls.
Baby
Pero
Dolls
lahat
group.
yung eksenang yun, kasama yung Baby Dolls members.
Nagkataon mang si Johaira lang ang nano. Kaya
Malapit siya eh.
Kasi siya ang nabugahan.
Talagang sapul ang mukha.
Ano reaction ng batang babae?
Siyempre, parang natigalgal siya. Pero, let's face it,
Oo.
it's
It's an
rehearse
act.
yun eh.
It's rehearsed. Let's go with the flow.
Oo.
And then
Yun.
what happens?
Tapos there was one scene na parang, gano'n na. Parang binugbog niya si Pero hindi man tatamaan. So, sinabi niya, hindi pa kita binubugbog, nagkukulay, ka na, pasa.
Oh,
Because
okay. Because she's brown,
brown skin.
ano
Dark
siya?
skin.
Dark skin.
Oo,
Okay. Si
Yun,
Johaira.
yun yung diba?
So, the joke was parang messy because of
and
the pagbura.
tawag dito, slapstick. Diba?
And I also learned from the fact that nag-apologize na si Vice agad-agad. Diba? Tungkol sa pangyayari. And she promised that they're going to do better. Tama ba ako?
Yeah, pero nakukulangan.
Nakukulangan kasi.
Did
she apologize?
Because the apology was general.
She did not apologize to Johaira.
Oo.
Walang ganon.
Yun ang
Parang-
yun ang ni-stress ng
Yun ang bone of contention.
Oo, na why not apologize sincerely to Johaira? Oh, Johaira, sorry parang nasaktan kita, na kita.
Okay.
'Di ba? Alam ko kasi eto Vice ganun, no offense man pero my God, that cheap jokes, that cheap comic acts describe you as inherently lacking in substance and form.
Okay.
Kasi, you allowed it to happen. You were the main actor for the scene. Hindi mo naisip that...
That could have been prevented.
Oo,
Kaya lang,
hindi-
tinodo mo.
Hindi! You allowed yourself to be instrumental in causing somebody's humiliation on national television. Napahiya yung si Johaira.
Hindi. Sabi mo nga kasi, going
Diba?
back to their kwento, that was scripted.
Oo nga, pero ikaw, you being the main, the lead
Of that
star
act.
of the, the lead star of It's Showtime.
Showtime.
Siya nasusunod
Okay.
di ba? May say ka dapat doon.
Question. Hindi ba pwede namang nag-apologize na siya na hindi naka-ere?
That is very unwise.
Okay.
That is not vice.
So, parang feeling mo, hindi niya ginawa yun. Parang, wala lang yun.
Oo. That
Okay.
is not vice.
So, if Vice was in the wrong, humingi na siya ng paumanhin, pero people felt it was too general, tama ba na pumasok sa eksena ang MTRCB sa pangyayaring ito?
Yes, because there were clamor for justice. Yes, because there were overwhelming or madlang people were overwhelmingly complaining about the acts committed in the
Okay.
kasi you cannot undo things. Kasi nandun yan napanood yan
Okay.
So pag ni-review, ay oo nga. Ay,
Medyo
binugahan ng di ba?
tubig.
Oo, that's very
That's very off.
Oo, at saka the jokes are
Racist.
racial in nature and form, di ba?
The
Parang
jokes are
ganon.
racist, tapos meron pang, ewan ko, may putik pa nga ba? Parang may ganun. Okay. Ang question ko pa rin is, yung mga ginagawang pagkakamali ng mga host sa Itbulaga, may ginawa na yung grupo ng MTRCB.
You should be very particular. Anong ginawa?
Yung ginawang pagbumura ni Ginoong Wally Bayola dati, na parang tatlo, pang-apat na taon na ata ito, parang wala naman ko naririnig na pinatawag ng MTRCB para kausapin at pag-usapan ng mga bagay-bagay. Napapansin ko lang kasi lagi, parang ang init-init ng mga mata ng MTRCB sa It's Showtime. At dahil nga, pangalawa pa, kasi nga, parang dahil bakla si Vice. At pinakasikat na bakla. So parang pag ganyan kasikat, tapos may kabalahuraan kang gagawin, talaga dapat kasiguhin ka namin kaagad. Hindi pwedeng makalusot ka. Kasi bakla ka Basta kang ehemplo. Yun lagi ang dating kasi sa akin. Correct me if I'm wrong. Nakatamang hulog ba ang MTRCB na hindi nyo nakikita ginagawang pagkakamali sa Itbulaga, pero basta may pagkakamali sa Showtime at may clamor, may sulat, may kung ano-ano, patol.
That brings to mind two words, which most people in government are guilty of.
Which are the words?
Selective justice.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi, how can you not act on something? Kino-complain, nagmura. And you did not act? That says a lot about you. Diba? That says whether discreetly or indiscreetly na you have some sense of selective justice.
And you have biases.
Diba?
You have
Diba?
biases, you're protecting some other people's interests, and it's obviously double standards.
Oo, di ba? Ngayon kasi, nabibring up yan kasi nga, pinatawag yung producers ng It's Showtime, ng MTRCB, which, apparently, they did not know 3 years ago, nung
Kasagsagan nung nangyari kay Wally Bayola.
kay Wally Bayola, which is a graver offense kasi nagmura
Yes.
on national television. Everybody heard it. Millions of people heard it. Di ba? Ngayon, if you are to kasi they can always bring it up bakit yung po? No offense meant but bakit yung po? Parang you did not act. Di ba? Now you are acting. Parang hush-hush pa. Yung talagang mabilisan, di ba? Ang pag-ano nyo. Di ba? I mean, they can bring it. Di ba? Kung matapang sila.
Ang mga taga-It's Showtime.
Kung matapang sila, di ba? Kasi kung ako nandoon, I will bring it. Talagang in your face. Sabihin ko, bakit po yung hindi nyo inaksyonan? 3 years ago, may nagmura doon sa show. And you did not lift up any finger. Di ba? Pero, kasi sila, syempre, it all boils down to economy. Ayaw nilang mapag-initan. So, ang mangyayari, they will not bring it up. Di ba? Pero ako nandun,
Curious
I'll bring it
question.
up.
Do you think Vice Ganda is going to get a suspension?
Actually yan,
Na?
worst scenario, suspended ang show for
Okay.
1 week.
Okay.
The second worst scenario, suspended si Vice Ganda. Maybe for 1 week.
At pwede rin third worst scenario, tatanggalin na yung memory mar as a segment.
Of course, it will be it will
It will
be
be
scrapped. It will be obviously, it brought nothing but shame
Shame
in
and
the
trouble.
show. Oo, di ba? In the show. Oh. Parang parang, kasi, for lack of of creative minds. No offense man to the team, matatalino naman kayo dyan, pero this time pumalpak kayo sa mga jokes nyo Your jokes were racial. People perceive
Your
it
jokes
as
were
racial.
racist.
Racist, di ba? Tapos parang may pagka-discriminatory kasi si lang yung binuga ng harapan, di ba? Tapos siya rin yung inambag ko, no? Di ba? Hindi nag-progress. The jokes were slapstick. It was eons ago. It was centuries ago. It's Jurassic! Ginagawa niyo pa dyan sa It's 2026 na.
It's already 2026 and you still do this kind of segments. So, what is really happening to the state of musical variety shows during noontime? That is the question that the creatives, artistic, and production of its showtime must address. This is Alwad Ignacio, the diva that you love. We are inviting you to watch the Titi Show, which airs every Saturday and Sunday at 4 p.m. on our Jari Tirada YouTube channel and our Facebook page. Together with me, of course, is my kumaring Ulsa Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And thank you for joining us here at the Titi Show, ang Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Magandang Sabado po sa ating lahat.